This one's been off. This one's been running. This one is a 10,000. That phone was really warm. Yeah. So this is Timmy's favorite brand. Train. Oh, this is heat pump. Like 7,000. This one's been off. Yeah. What compressor that is? Where's the data? Oh, right there. Yep. Oh, and the LED's turned on? Nope. Okay. And a paint right here. 2019. This one has also not been running. It's got helicopter families. And a under 2,000. This one has been running. Oh! That is cool music. That's cool music. It does sound so cool. Yep. That fan motor is really warm. This one has been running. I think it is off. Yeah. That fan motor feels so warm. It has been running. Now more over here. That 10,000 has been running. More over there too. That'll be in my next video. I know what these are. After the video, 10,000 shut off. Yeah. Interesting. Train. Oh, 1X. Interesting. Soft. From these series, running. What's data on this? What's data sheets? Oh, there it is. Yep. Here's the North Care comfort running. Where's the compressor? I think it's shaky too. Yeah. That's the AC right here. And it works merits. I think someone next to yep. It's been running 4 blades. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's a burst over there. Oh, what is this? I've never seen anything like this before. Yeah, it's been running completely. So, what is this? What is this? I have no idea what this is right here. Let's listen to this sheet. It kind of looks like a cane or something. And a 4x1X. It's been running. And a carrier. Oh, a Ohio. Interesting. It actually has no logo on it. Today it's stated. Wait, ways. And Ohio. It's been running too. These like all have been running. And oh, one of them here is super noisy. It's been off. Come on, please. Oh, that earth starts running. Oh no, that's watered. Where is the data sheet on this? Oh, right there. Is the air starving? It's running. What's the data? Oh, it's right there. And it's for XP. This It's running too. Where's data on this? It's hard to find data on these twigs. Oh, it's missing. Oh, it's right there. Mom, this way. We're going this way now. I'm going to say just carry right here. This way. Carrier. I'm like, oh, that place is open. I don't have no idea. This right here. It's been off. I think it's a carrier. There's 2 weights. Look at that. Yep. This data. On a train. But that part is new. So, the carrier. He's off and off. Oh! That one just turned on. Got a carrier performance. It's been off. Yeah. Got a new bunch. This too. It's never computer turned on. 2 more sets. Oh, it's still the same. Okay, I bought her to start up. Okay, that's it for this.